Welcome back to the final stage of this incredible UFO boat build. With the main body complete, work now focuses on turning the project into a fully functional watercraft. The cockpit is fitted with a driver's seat, steering system, dashboard, and fuel tank, bringing the interior to life. Next, the jet propulsion system, drive shaft, and engine are installed inside the hull. A custom exhaust system with a water box is also added to help reduce noise and improve performance. As the mechanical work is completed, attention shifts to the finishing touches. Tinted acrylic windows are installed, automated doors are powered by servo motors, and LED lights give the craft a futuristic glow. Solar panels are also added to provide extra power. After countless hours of fabrication and assembly, the UFO boat is finally complete. What started as a simple mold has been transformed into a unique, fully functional, futuristic watercraft, ready for its first adventure on the water.